Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how you can make your own homemade compost and save yourself some money. I have been collecting some food scraps for months, and I have some vegetation. These are some coffee grounds that I got from Starbucks. You can collect them for free. You just need to give them a container and they'll be happy to give it to you. So let's get closer. This is what's happening. I purchased this 32 gallon, 121 liter from Home Depot. I drilled some holes in them because we're gonna need some oxygen to get in. Then this is the only space in my house that I can do this. So I made a hole in the ground so that can fit snug in there. It helps to allow the worms to come in, and I also drill a hole at the bottom of the container. We're going to alternate between the brown and the green. And the green can be any vegetation or food scraps from the kitchen. So I would put some of the brown in there. It helps to break them in smaller chunks. So I'm gonna put a whole bunch in there. You want to make sure there are no plastics. You can also use some of this. Most of these have already been mixed up, both the green and I'm going to put some of this coffee grounds in here. Next is to wet it now. You want to wet it until you see the water running out at the bottom. Then we stick a thermometer. We want to see in a couple of days. Look at this thermometer that is gone from 0 to like about hot, about 140 degrees. So we'll put a thermometer in the middle and then we cover it, making sure that it is well covered. Now, come on, let me show you. This is one that I started a while back, and look at that. Look at all that one. Look at all that one. And look at how black that, how beautiful that is. Now you can sieve this to remove some of these bigger particles. These are coconut particles that take a little bit longer. So, but otherwise, this is literally finished. You can't even recognize anything out of this. And this is not only just good nutrient for the plants, it also saves me in terms of buying soil, because you can use that to amend your garden bed. 2 days later, you can see that the compost has decreased. It was filled to the brim, and look, it is now in the hot range. And we're gonna top it up a little bit, but it's not as hot as we want it, so we're gonna top it up some more. We added more, we filled it back up, and we added more coffee grounds, more food scraps, and more vegetation. And we then replaced the thermometer, and finally we covered it up. If this video has been helpful to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you.